Ready to learn how to write and self-publish your own ebook? In this video, I'm going to take you through it step by step. These are some of my favorite videos to film. Follow along with me. Let's get your ebook done. The very first step for writing and self-publishing your own ebook, very quickly, is to find your book topic. Find your book topic. You want to make sure you are clear at what you're writing about, because half the battle in getting a book done is not having writer's block. So get really clear on what your topic is about.
I wanted to give some examples of very clear, specific topics. So I went to Amazon, put in book, search how to. Look at this. How to flirt with women. The art of flirting without being creepy. How to absurd scientific advice for common real world problems. How to write a book report, book review, or literary analysis. Powerful mind, how to change your life and value yourself, stop overthinking. I love how specific these are. You want people to understand in one sentence or less why your book helps them.
Step number 2, to write and self-publish your own ebook fast. Now that you have your topic done, create your book outline. Create your book outline. This is my secret for how I'm able to get my books done in less than 2 hours. When I sit down to write the manuscript, my outline is done. It is complete. It is final. There is like no guesswork. I know exactly what's going where. So if you've never written a book outline, just go ahead and include your introduction, your chapters, so that should be the solution that or the problem that you're solving, your conclusion, and then about the author page. That's pretty much a basic structure of an outline. Step number 3, go ahead and write your book manuscript. So there's no shortcut for this. You just have to learn a writing methodology that works for you. I recommend having a very strict writing schedule. So for me, every single day, I write at least 5,000 words, because that is how I'm gonna get all these books done. If you didn't know, I'm launching my own audiobook service to compete with Audible. Yes, I said it. Yes, I said it. And so I'm writing 5,000 words a day, but you can set your writing goal to be whatever you would like it to be.
If you don't know how to write a book, I created the Godlywood Girl Author School to show you how to do it step by step. Right up top, I have the 31-day Write Your Book Bootcamp. This bootcamp is responsible for publishing so many authors, all glory to Jesus, because it's step by step. You know, I've been writing books since 2009, full-time since 2016. I know how to do this stuff in my sleep now, all glory to God. So I recorded myself doing it, so you have all the steps here. Everything is written out for you, and you'll be able to write your book very quickly using this system. So go to christianauthorSchool.com to get started.
Step number 4, now that your book is completed, go ahead and format it. And this is the part that is very simple. I recommend you just choose a template and copy and paste right into the template.
When you go to canva.com, right inside of the search bar, just type in ebook and then select templates. And you are going to go ahead and hit submit, and you're going to see so many templates that you can use. Now, I have the paid plan of Canva, and I recommend you have the paid plan too. It pays for itself for me over and over again. But if you don't have the paid plan, you can just use the ones that don't have this little crown on it, and you can use the free plans. But they have so many templates that you can use, and basically you're just going to copy and paste your book right into the template that they give you. And there are several options. So if you hold your mouse over it, you'll see the templates that have multiple pages, like this one. This one has multiple pages. So I'll just select this one, but you can make any one of these that you like work. This one has 8 pages. Look how clear this, and you just copy and paste. You can get it done so quickly. Look at this one. So I would click customize this design, and then I can go ahead and copy and paste my book.
And finally, step number 5, list your ebook for sale. This part is the one that gets a lot of people stuck because they think they have to publish on Amazon.com, and you do not, my love, you do not. You can go ahead and self-publish right on your own platform so you can make more money. I'm so excited to show you how to build your website quickly using AI. A huge shout out to hostingjoy.com. They have sponsored today's video, and they've given me a discount code for you guys. Go to hostingjoy.com/godlywoodgirl. Go ahead and pick your plan. I love the business plan. You get multiple websites, and the best thing, 0% transaction fee. So when you make a sale, you actually get to keep it. So go ahead and click choose plan. And then what I love about Hostinger, the longer the period that you choose, the less you'll pay each month. So if you do the 48-month plan, oh my goodness, look at this. Like if you were on Shopify, it would be $29 per month, no matter how long you're on there. I love that about Hostinger. They reward your longevity. And you'll also get free additional months included when you do the longer period plan. And then over here where it says have a coupon code, click that.
and type in Godlywood Girl, and shout out to Hostinger. They gave me a 10% off coupon exclusive for you guys. Just put in Godlywood Girl and it'll take 10% off your order. So go ahead and click continue. You'll be taken to this page to let the AI create a website for you, and this makes the process so fast. Now, I do want to point out there's a new feature on Hostinger where you can create a link in bio for your website. It basically replaces a beacon store or a stand store. Let me know if you would like a demo on this because I think this is so fun. So you're going to enter your brand name. So I'm going to put Stephanie Rodnez and then put a description. I sell ebooks that teach women of Christ how to achieve work-life balance. And by putting the word sell in there, it's going to automatically add an online store, which is what we want. Then click create a website, and you're about to see how fast it is for you to get your website up and running so you can sell your ebooks using Hostinger. I still cannot believe this technology exists. Every time I use it, I am stunned. And there we have it. We have a website. Look at this. Look at this. This is insane. Already done for me. And it's in the purple that I love. So once you have your website, just click continue. The first thing you'll be directed to do is add your product. So click here, add product. We are doing an ebook, so we'll do digital products. Upload your product image, the first page. And look how cool this is. The AI is going to write your product description for you. How cool is that? It literally reads the front page. There we go. How to have a better work-life balance, practical guide to achieving harmony, discover the secrets. Look at this. Incredible. Already written. I'm going to set my pricing to $37. You guys know I like to sell bundles. And then right here, you're going to upload your ebook file. It's just going to be that PDF that you downloaded from Canva. I like to make my download links available for 30 days. And because I don't have additional products, I like to turn off show-related products. Once you're all done, just click save. And now you have your website. Don't forget, you can now add print-on-demand t-shirts. Thank you, Hostinger. So you're going to go ahead and delete these other products that the AI created for you in the product manager here. And then you're going to go ahead and click right up here where it says edit website. Now, Hostinger is what you see is what you get. You click, you edit, you click, you edit. So for example, over here, I'll say it's time for work-life balance. I love this picture. I'm going to keep this right here. And then you see this color here. I want to actually source this color for my banner. So I'm going to click into the banner. Let me just exit out of this. I'm going to click into the banner, click edit section, section color right here. Click pick a color. And then you're going to go ahead and pick the color of that book. Beautiful. So I'll do the same thing for this button, edit button, style, fill color. Pick a color, grab that same color, just so we have consistency. Same thing here. Edit, style, and color. This is just all about branding. Now, each of these buttons need to be set to your book. So just click the button, edit button, where it says link to, select page and select your book. And do the same thing for this one. And I love that Hostinger set it up so that we have multiple places for people to click and purchase our book. One of the things I like to do though is have an above the fold feature of my product. So I'm going to click here, add section, click online store, single products. Look at this. How gorgeous is this? Oh my gosh, I love it. So over here, I like this section a lot, but I would like to make this background that same purple color. Look at that branding. Look at that branding. And since I don't have other books, I'm going to delete this. But once you have multiple books uploaded, and yes, you can upload multiple books, just go ahead and let this stay here because then they can shop all of them. And I always recommend that you keep your contact form because you always want to be growing your email list. I'm just going to change the button again. Down here, edit section, section color, change the button again. And I'm just going to get rid of these because I don't have social media for this because obviously I'm making this up. But if you did, go ahead and put that there. And again, I always recommend you keep your button. So one of the other cool things, I can click edit section, click video, replace video, and then I can write woman overwhelmed. You are going to see Hostinger has so many videos that we can use. Part of your hosting plan. You don't even have to pay extra for this. They give these to you as part of your hosting plan. It's amazing. So I already love this one. This is perfect. Yes, so good. I can reduce this opacity. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. And then we have our pages here. So this is the shop page. I'm going to just go ahead and get rid of this section because I don't have testimonials yet. The about page. Excellent. I'm going to leave all this. Just to learn more, I'll click edit button, and then I will set it to our purchase page again. And contact us. I really think you should always keep a contact form. And then I don't have a location, so I'll just delete this. And I believe we are done, my love. So once you've gone through and you've set up your store, go ahead and click save, and then go ahead and click preview. And now you can preview your entire website. You see how quick we just made this amazing professional looking website? How insane is that? That is what Hostinger allows us to do. I built my first Shopify website. It took me 6 months. We are now able to build websites in just minutes because of Hostinger. So to get started, go to hostinger.com/godlywoodgirl. Use discount code godlywoodgirl at checkout to take 10% off your entire hosting plan.
Now, if you need step-by-step help writing and self-publishing your own nonfiction books so you can turn them into ebooks, make sure you come join the Godlywood Girl 31-day Write Your Book Bootcamp. I show you how to do this step-by-step. Let me give you a sneak peek. Hey, it's your girl, Steph Rodnez, and if you've been struggling to move forward on your journey as a faith-based author, I've created a brand new community called the Godlywood Girl Faith-Based Author School just for women like you who want to move forward in your purpose as a woman of Christ writing books. The school includes the Author Toolkit, which has 10 tutorials for 10 different types of Christian books you can write, including nonfiction books, daily devotionals, prayer journals, ebooks. There's a lot in there. You'll get access to the Godlywood Girl Book Funnel Toolkit, which shows you how to take your book, bundle it up, and put it into a sales funnel, including a lead magnet funnel, a tripwire funnel, and my very favorite, a webinar funnel. You'll get access to the book promotion toolkit, which shows you how to create a marketing plan to promote your funnel, because in order for people to buy our books, right, we have to tell them about it. And that's what the marketing toolkit shows you how to do. Plus, you'll get access to a community of other women who are writing faith-based books just like you are. Sis, you do not have to do this alone. Come join the brand new Godlywood Girl Faith-Based Author School so you can get the tutorials you need, you can get the community you need, and most importantly, you can get the network that you need to step into your purpose as a faith-based author. I can't wait to see you there. Visit christianauthorschool.com to fill out the application form and apply today. Don't forget to watch my free 3-day Start Your Book Business Challenge to help you get started with your book business online. And in the meantime, watch this tutorial for even more resources to help you step into your purpose as a faith-based author. I can't wait to see you there.